Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sesame Brittle full guide. Start by gathering 1 cup sesame seeds, 1 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 tablespoon butter, and preheat a heavy skillet. Toast seeds gently until fragrant and golden, stirring constantly. Prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment and lightly butter it. Keep tools close, a candy thermometer helps, and have a wooden spoon ready for stirring the caramel. Heat sugar with a splash of water in a medium saucepan over medium heat, letting edges melt first, then gently swirl the pan to encourage even melting. When the sugar reaches a deep amber, remove the pan from heat and carefully stir in the butter and honey until glossy. Quickly fold in your toasted sesame seeds to fully coat them, then pour the mixture onto the prepared parchment and spread evenly with a spatula. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook or snack, and it pairs nicely with crunchy sesame brittle for on-the-go munching. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too, and now let's get back to the video. Let the sesame brittle cool completely on the baking sheet for at least 20 minutes so it hardens properly. To portion, either score it while slightly warm with a sharp knife or place parchment in a towel and gently tap with a rolling pin to create rustic shards. Transfer pieces to an airtight container and keep at room temperature, away from humidity, to preserve crisp texture and flavor for sharing or snacking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.